Let's face it, for the average customer, it's hard for them to tell when it's time to replace tires unless they become bald or customers start to notice performance differences. Tire technicians know that indicators like tread wear, climate, and tire age can impact performance. Proper tread depth is essential to prevent hydroplaning and skidding. The minimum tread depth is 2/32 of an inch. Too much exposure to direct sunlight, UV rays, and/or heat can cause cracking in tires. Tires are designed and built to provide thousands of miles of service, but for maximum performance, tires must be maintained properly. While you may know this, customers may not. That's why certain Continental tires include QuickView tuned performance indicators that visually inform drivers of the level at which their tires are performing in dry, wet, and snow conditions, and also when it's time to check the vehicle's alignment. Let's talk more about these indicators. Continental Tire's QuickView indicators are visual markers embedded in the tire tread that show the tire's performance level and indicate whether the tires are wearing evenly. The tuned performance indicators on certain Continental tires are the letters D, W, and S, which are molded into the tire tread and fade as the tire wears. The D stands for dry, the W stands for wet, and the S stands for snow. When the S fades away, it indicates that the tire is no longer suitable for snow traction. When the W fades away, it shows that the tire is no longer optimal for wet conditions. When the D fades away, it means the tire is no longer suitable for dry conditions, has reached the minimum legal tread depth, and must be replaced. These tires also consist of 3 rectangles molded into both sides of the outer tire tread directly across from one another. These act as the alignment verification system. They signal if the tires are properly aligned or if an alignment adjustment is needed. If the same number of rectangles appear on each side, the tire is wearing evenly, indicating proper vehicle alignment. If there are more rectangles on one side than the other, the tire is wearing unevenly, suggesting that the vehicle alignment needs to be checked. This inspection should be done before the tire becomes unevenly worn. Tires that feature the QuickView indicators include the Pure Contact LS, True Contact Tour, Extreme Contact DWS 06+, and Cross Contact LX25. No matter the road conditions, Continental's QuickView indicators deliver more driving confidence for customers with Continental tires. Thanks for watching.